Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can create car livery or how you can create your own car livery in Forza Horizon 6. It's pretty easy guys. Once you are in the garage, go to the cars tab. You're gonna see the option designs and paints. Select that, select apply vinyls and decals, and right here you're gonna see all the size of your car. So wherever you wanna put livery or wherever you wanna work, simply choose that side. Select any of these options, like if you wanna go for vinyl shape, logo, you have to choose that. Then you'll able to see couple of designs or shapes, whichever you like. You can simply select that, and basically you're able to choose the color for the shape or design, whatever you have chosen, and apply it to your car. So you can do that for all sides, and once you are done you can just save the changes and use the livery. You can also go to this option, find new designs, and here you'll able to see all the available designs for your car, and you can basically use them without wasting your time. Let's say if we go and choose this one, we just need to basically select the one we like, and that way that livery will be applied on the car. So it is that easy. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.